Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this cold Tuesday morning? It's the 18th day of January. Yesterday was just awful. I mean, with the cold and the wind and temperatures only in the lower 40s. Wow. Today, at least, the sun will be out and we'll be in the 50s. That's a little better. Tomorrow, a little better as we get into the 60s. On this video, we'll talk about the return of rain to the forecast as a cold front approaches on Wednesday night. Then what happens on Thursday and Thursday night and into Friday on the colder air side of the front? Will any part of Alabama see any frozen precipitation problems? The jury is still out, but I'll fill you in on what we know this morning. And also, cold weather fans, you're going to love a lot of what I have to say on this video about the next several days. The rest of us won't be as happy. So a cold morning out there this morning and a cool day ahead, but at least better than yesterday by about 12 degrees. At least we make it into the 50s today, and that is an improvement in the right direction. And I think we make it into the 60s tomorrow, probably mid-60s. The rain holds off till Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, with maybe some rain and perhaps some thunderstorms. And there's the front on Thursday morning in southeast Alabama. So, the rain threat will continue on Thursday. More on that in a moment. Cool sunshine today, but at least better than yesterday, with a high around 56 tonight. Not quite as cold, overnight low 36. Little southerly breeze at 5 to 10 miles per hour today. Tomorrow, I think we're dry much of the day. We'll put in the chance of a late day shower, but a better chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm as we get into Wednesday night. Here's Wednesday night at midnight with the front into northwestern Alabama. And maybe a couple of stronger storms in the state. I think the best chance of any severe weather would be west of Alabama. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk starting at the Alabama western border and into Mississippi. We'll see if they adjust that. Thursday at 3 p.m., the front is in, it's down into Florida, but on the cold air side of it, way up north, there could be a few little frozen precipitation pockets. And on Friday, we'll have to watch this forecast carefully. With waves of low pressure moving along that front, could there be in parts of eastern and northeastern Alabama some frozen precipitation? Perhaps. Would that affect any of us here locally? Yeah, it's a toss-up, but there's the snow in northeast Alabama on Friday on the European model. So we'll keep an eye on that Friday forecast. Hopefully nothing frozen. Cold winter's day Saturday, only in the low 40s, much like yesterday. And the wind will add insult to injury. Sunday, we're only in the mid-40s after a morning low in the 20s. So get ready. The cold air clothing is needed for the next few days. Tomorrow with a high of 66, that's the warmest day. Showers and maybe some thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday, the rain chances continue. Only a high of 43 Friday with that question mark. Will we see any problems? Hopefully not. In the 20s on Saturday and Sunday morning. Look at that high Saturday at 43 and 46 for a high Sunday. And looking way out there, 10 days out. We're going to continue to see these Arctic intrusions through the end of January. I'm afraid that looks pretty cold out there on January 28th on the GFS model. Lots of winter weather threats over the next several days, so our weather app will keep you on top of the action with hourly forecasts, 10-day forecasts, plus push notifications for severe weather alerts, radar, future radar, and so much more, including access to all these videos. Get into the App Store. It's free. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. This is a difficult time to be a forecaster this time of the year when you get on the cold air side of a frontal system with waves of low pressure moving along that front. That's a very difficult forecast in the winter. All right, we'll keep you up to date live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You'll find us on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. The Alabama News Network, the morning program is called Alabama Rising. I'll be talking to meteorologist Ryan Stinnett, and we'll just try to dissect this weather situation. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it. Across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I can see my breath here this morning. It's cold out here. Have a good one. Stay warm, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.